So I am restarting again. So this is the stuff. 8 videos, 11 shots, 2 posts. Some of the shots were made by Opus Clips, and so it makes it easy, because ordinarily this 8 video would have been like maybe 3 shots, because I'm lazy to create shots. But this Opus Clips will help me cut it in and help me give titles, so it's easy for me to just upload. So that is that. So let's check the next one. 2,400 views. So it means that within that we can have 2,400 views. It's because I did 8 videos, because if you remember what I said, I do 4 videos per day. So for me to have done 8 videos, it means that I did for only 2 days. So if I had done 4 video times, at least even 5, that would have been 20 videos, and that 20 videos would have given me more than 40 shots. Trust me, I would have had times 3 or 4 of these 2,400k views. So I wasn't promoting this week, I wasn't serious this week. And then of course I lost an aunt, so we've been working on it. And then here are the people who found you through shots, through YouTube Home, and then through YouTube search. Now they said this is what they watched. So they watched they're showing me my videos that they watched, but I don't want to even go there. Now let's go to the next one. They now said people didn't just watch, they interacted. 46 likes. At least out of these 46 likes, let's say 8 videos, it's Kenny, because I always like my videos. I try the long form videos, so at least 10 of the likes will come from my other YouTube account. I used to watch my YouTube videos. So when I upload on this Cojes Yans, I actually use that my Cojes Edu Consult account to view the videos. So and the people shared. This is good. Some of the shares also came from me, because I always share my videos. And then 14 comments, and I always comment on every of my video too with the other account. So for these 8 videos, at least 8 comments came from me. So I had 6 external comments, which is good enough, you know. And then now they say let's play a game. How many viewers watch your videos with subtitles or closed caption on? Now somebody asked the other time, how do you do CC, and people asked me what CC. So I later went to check and I saw that it's closed caption. So I don't know if he's listening to this, but if he's interested, I can show a video of how to do closed caption. Even vidIQ would show it to you that you should do it manually. And then subtitles. Then sometimes you can subtitle. For someone like me, I'm supposed to be subtitling my videos in French, in Spanish, and yeah, maybe those countries, those languages, because so that people living in those countries who are interested in Nigerian news can actually see too. So but now let's check here. Let me just guess 21. See, I missed it. So 11. So you got 7,600 and something views with subtitles or closed caption in the last 90 minutes. In the last 90 days. This is beautiful. So I'll work on that more, because it will make YouTube suggest the videos to people who will be able to use those features. And then finally, let me take a screenshot of this so I'll remember to do it. And then finally, he said come back next week. So what I'm trying to show you is that what I basically got was 2,400 views. And not 2,400 views, maybe about 1,400 views will be short, while 1,000 views with long form. It may never be up to that, which makes you know that we still all have work to do. So and then the other day I showed us how to upload short, and I told us that if you can be uploading 5 shots per day, that you get over 300 subscribers in 1 month. It works. Now just within 2 days of reactivating my shorts again, I've got shorts, and with my long form I've gotten over 205 to 218. So I've gotten over 13 subscribers. By now I'm sure it will be like maybe 15 or 16 subscribers within just 2 days. So imagine if I'm doing every day, it will give that traction. And the more you get subscribers from your short form, trust me, many of them will be converted to your long form, because they already like what you are doing. So, and that's why they subscribed. Alright, so I'll stop here. So it means that don't let our 120 something thousand, 800 and something thousand, 50,000 views on vidIQ worry you. It is not 1 week, it's not even sometimes 1 month. It could be 2 months, 3 months, and all of that. And they always give targets, so you can still do pursue yourself and do better.